So if we have multiple subnets and we want to be able to discover devices across subnets, if we want to be able to send notifications, which are broadcasted across subnets, we want to send alarms, we want to send COV notifications. All these are broadcast messages. How do we do it? So the BACnet standard in the late 90s came up with the concept of a BBMD. A BBMD stands for BACnet Broadcast Management Device. It is a pure BACnet IP device. So you do not need BBMDs, or there are no BBMDs involved in any other system than BACnet IP, okay? IPv4 or IPv6. A BBMD is very simple. It basically converts BACnet broadcast messages into BACnet unicast message so they can go through an IP router. We'll look at the details, right? So let me repeat that in a different way. A BBMD basically punches through an IP router, which typically blocks broadcast by converting a BACnet broadcast into a BACnet unicast. We'll look at the details, right? And it's by using BBMDs that allows you to basically connect the broadcast of multiple IP subnets together, allowing you to do discovery across subnets, alarms, COVs, and all the other beautiful BACnet broadcast messages.